Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and all your support. And if you are a new viewer, then go to this channel Smart Trader and then see all the videos. And if you are liking those videos or even the playlist, then you can go hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever we post a video, it'll come into your notification and you can watch whenever you're free. Okay. So for the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp to 7892652481 or else go to our website www.smarttrader.co. And for the ones who want to open account, the details are here. Click the link and open an account through Smart Trader. Then you will be getting the offers of lifetime learning in Telegram channel. So anyways, without wasting time, let's go and see the GAN square trick which can be used in intraday trading. I know this is a video which I have done 1.5 years back, and we had around 10,000 subscribers, and today we are having 60,000 plus subscribers. So there are a lot of 50,000 plus people who have been added after that. So many would have been missed watching all the videos in this channel. So I thought I will create this video so it will help a lot of beginners who have just joined our channel, the 50,000 people who extra joined us. So the trick is going to be very simple, and we are going to use the GAN square calculator, and most of you guys would have used, and now we have this GAN square in our website when we started our website. So just go to www.smarttrader.co as seen over here, and after that you need to just, this is the main page, and then go to the menu. We can do the same in laptop also. So most of the 80% of the viewers from our channel are from mobile. So I'm just showing most of our videos from mobile because it's easy, because you carry a mobile everywhere, you watch the video. But a lot of people don't carry a laptop. In weekends you watch in laptop, but anyways 80% of them use our mobile phones. So I'm doing video in mobile most of the time. And go to the calculators and then hit on GAN calculator. So this is GAN square calculator, which you would have seen most of this. Now we Smart Trader family also have this. It's a simple calculator, everyone can use this. So nothing, you have to just put the levels, current value over here. If you say enter current market price, and then it will calculate all the resistance and all the support. Based on that, it will give you a buy at and above levels and sell at above levels. So if you are confused in a particular stock or in a trending stock, when should I enter a trending stock, or when should I exit a top gainer or top loser, based on the strategy you pick the stock, when to enter, when to exit. So those are the things which will confuse you. So for example, if I take any stock, random stock from the list, okay, let's say Hindalco itself, current price is 226. Let me put around 226, and I'll give calculate over here, right? So once I give calculate over here, there is a lot of calculations which goes on as per this particular pivot. Okay, calculation goes based on that. This was created by GAN, by his own calculations. So as per him, the recommendation says that buy at or above 228.76. okay, so we put 226. If you see, so the next level of buying is above 228.76, and the target what they have given is 232.44. then second target is 236, like that it goes on if it breaks those level. Same way the stop loss is 225, because if the stock goes below 225, sell at 225. if you see over here, sell at 225. Stop loss is opposite, 228.76. Same way, when if the stock breaks 225, the target is 221.37 to 17.67. So if you ask me, will this achieve all the time, I would say it will achieve 50-60% of the time. Okay, so the accuracy is 50-60% of the time of a stock. And I would suggest you to take trending stocks, the stocks which are moving. No point in taking stock which is stagnant and which is not moving for the day. Okay, so if you're taking top gainer, top loser, based on the trending time, the stocks will move. So based on the stock movements, where to buy the stock, you can buy the stocks with these levels, whatever levels you're typing over here. Now the question is, will the target hits 232.44? Whenever I have tried, yes, there are chances, and at 10 times, at least 4 to 5 times the targets are achieved consistently. But other times it doesn't go so much, it will go 2-3 rupees above and it will come down, right? Because if you see, they're taken almost 1% and almost more than 1% target difference, right? So the more than the stock price, for example 2 rupees 20 paise, it's more than that. So what I would suggest is, if you are, for example, I'm just saying this educational purpose, but I'm just giving you a trick. If you are practicing a paper trade and you're saying you're buying at 228.76, so do not just keep it at 228.76. Example, keep it 228 point, say 229 is your buy. Okay, a little bit above. So 229 is your buy. Calculate 0.3%. Let's say 75 paisa is your target. Put 75 paisa as your target. 229, right? So 231, like around 231 or 230.35, like that. Point whatever number, or else 229, right? So 229.75. okay, so as soon as the stock breaks 229, at least it has to move 0.3%. It depends upon you, based on your calculations, how much you keep, 0.3, 0.5 or 1%, 2%, like this. But I'm just telling you a simple trick. So whenever it breaks that level and you're keeping a buy at 229, the stock will go 0.3%. You're done for your day. Let the stock go to the target of 232 or 236. It's not our worry about it, but this small idea which I'm telling from my experience, because sometimes I also waited for targets and I have missed my targets. So that's the reason I'm telling for beginners to have a discipline, do paper trading and check out this particular trick. Same way with sell. So if you're taking any stock in the sell side or trending side and the market is red and it's a top loser for the day, 2-3 stocks, and if you're typing those numbers, you can put a bracket order to 225, right? So you can put 224.80 bracket order and put target as 224, 75 paisa, around 75 paisa, and that will definitely, when it hits 224.80, then it has to move to 224, right? But they have given us 221. It's way beyond down, right? So you can do paper trading and you can test how many times it is hitting this target, how many times it is hitting 0.3%. Do an analysis in a paper. This is very important. Don't just go blindly do it on put your money and don't try this. Take a paper, write target of GANN square, target of 0.3%. See how many times once it touches the level which we have decided, then how much percentage it moved. Write it down. See an average of 10 trades from today or from tomorrow live market. See average of 10 days of trading on different stocks and write it down and see which achieved, which didn't achieve. See the overall and you will get an idea. And see also on trending stock like top gainers and a normal stock which is in between. Check on those. This is how you will become more effective. This is how your mind opens to learn a lot of things. And simultaneously, when you wait for the stock price to go to 229 over here, you will build a lot of patience, because a lot of people are very excited. I want to take a trade right now. No, there are different levels for different stocks. There are a lot of calculations. So try to use those calculations. When someone has already created it, try to see why they have created it and how it works. So that's why I say observe and try to bring a new trick out of it. Well, this is a basic trick which you can try, and apart from this you can add few more parameters of indicator, super trends, RSI, MACD. That is next one, but this simple thing first you practice and see. I would say this would definitely be a wonder for a lot of beginners who did not know this. And if you have any other ideas also, let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with all the beginners and all the friends in your WhatsApp group, so that they get a small idea about these things. So please hit that like button and support us, and also subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.